This is Mr. Suraj, and with me, one of my previous student. He is an international student in the UK-based university, and he wanted to share the feedback working along with me and my colleagues. Hi there. How are you?
Yes, I'm good. How are you?
I'm also doing good. So, can you please share your feedback? What are the subjects you have taken the guidance with me and my colleagues?
Yes, so I had most of my lessons on device application and analog electronics. I would say the support was very well, but the main thing, and they also provided a lot of some support or some guidance on the beginning of my project.
Mm-hmm.
So I think overall I was very satisfied, and I thought that the support was enough for me to take on the project on my own and just to build upon what they gave me. So the prior knowledge that they provided, and it was enough, and it was great support overall. So I would definitely recommend.
Mm-hmm. Okay, okay, understood. And what about the teaching we have done? So, how you felt about the teaching part?
The teaching was good overall. As I said, I was satisfied with the whole process. There was a good consistency across, and they build upon prior knowledge, so it's easier to follow and easy to follow one on one. So yeah, very good overall.
Okay, okay, understood. And then, can you please give some idea about how we have conducted the sessions and then payment procedure basically?
Yeah, so the process, so it starts off, obviously, what you tell them when you want to have the lessons. It's quite flexible, so it's done through WhatsApp. So then
Mm-hmm.
they decide on a certain day and time. They send a Zoom
Mm-hmm.
link, and then it's just the lessons are just done. So they share their screen, and they go over the lecture notes that you send, and you just go over the notes, and they take you one by one, whatever questions you have. So there's a lot of drawing, there's a lot of analysis that you do. So yeah, overall, so it's good. It's good. It's not just reading off the lecture notes. You also they also write over the lecture notes, so easy to follow and enough time to ask questions if that's required.
Okay, okay. Thank you very much. And so, what you can do you recommend our the teaching and overall service basically?
Yeah, I'd recommend the teaching overall to those who need it. You know, specifically, it could be for their schools or uni studies. Just it's a good opportunity to just get some extra help if needed for certain courses that you're working on. And I know that there's an abundance of courses out there, so which can be quite difficult for other students, not only in engineering but other courses as well, or other degrees. So I'd say, yeah, I would definitely recommend because it's a good variety of courses that they provide, and as I said, consistent support across them overall.
Okay, thank you very much for your kind words. Now, one last question I wanted to ask you is why exactly you thought to take some guidance and the tutoring basically as an international student in the UK? So, can you please explain more about your situation?
Yeah, I mean, it's the same situation. I mean, as others, you just one of the courses, one or two courses that you have, maybe you don't really understand them very well, or you just need extra support on them, you know, lack of resources. So you just wanted, one would just want extra feedback or extra advice on how to tackle the course, or just, as I said, a push to then just understand the notes. And then from there, you can then continue on your own. So that's what I needed at the time, just a little push, kind of just see what to understand what the notes were explaining. And that's what they've done. So that's what the support that I got, and I could continue on my own from there. So yeah, that was the situation at the time.
Okay, okay, that is good. And one more question is how exactly you was helpful, all the tutoring sessions you have taken and for the subject, but how exactly it has been helped you in your course? What was the impact of that? Can you tell more about it?
Yeah, I mean overall, it was good support. So the next days, I managed to then follow the lectures. So we were going through the lecture notes and all. So I managed to then follow through and understand more during my lectures, and then I can ask questions. So overall, the fundamental benefits behind the lessons was increasing my knowledge or like my understanding of the course at the time. So some, not the full course, but some parts of the course or aspects weren't explained as
Mhm.
much. So it was just good to get clarifications on those aspects of the course. But yeah, overall, that was the main impact, the positive impact.
Okay, okay, okay. Thank you very much for your kind words and time. Have a nice day. Wish you all
Thanks,
the best.
thanks
Yeah,
you too.
yeah, yeah. Thank you.